In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut account. First, grab your phone and download the Revolut app from your device's app store. Open it up and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked for your mobile number so Revolut can link the account to you. Enter your number carefully, then type in the verification code sent to you by text. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or check that you entered the correct number and have a stable internet connection. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Choose something strong and unique and keep it somewhere safe. You'll also have the option to set up extra security like Face ID or a fingerprint depending on your phone. Enabling biometrics makes logging in faster and more secure, but only set it up on a device you trust. Now you'll fill in your personal details, your full legal name, date of birth, and your home address. Make sure everything matches what appears on your identification documents, as this will help your verification go smoothly. When you're ready, review and accept the terms to continue. After that, it's time to verify your identity. Have a valid government-issued ID ready, like a passport or national ID card. The app will guide you to take a clear photo of your document and then a quick selfie. Do this in a well-lit space, avoid glare, and make sure the entire document is visible and your face is centered. Remove hats or sunglasses so the system can confirm it's really you. Next, you'll answer a few questions about your tax residency and how you plan to use the account. This is a standard compliance step required by financial regulations. Answer honestly and accurately, for example, whether it's mainly for everyday spending, travel, or savings, so your account is set up correctly from the start. Then you'll choose your plan. Revolut offers different tiers, including a free option and paid plans with extra benefits. Pick what suits your needs today. You can usually change later. You'll also decide whether you want a physical card, a virtual card, or both. A physical card is great for in-store purchases and ATMs and will be mailed to your address. A virtual card is available immediately for online shopping and can often be added to your mobile wallet. Once everything's submitted, Revolut will review your details. Approval can be instant or take a short while, and you'll be notified in the app. When you're approved, your account is ready to use, and that's it.